everyone. In this module, we will be just talking about a new topic that is Power Pivot, and this is the most advanced data modeling method in Excel. Okay, now let us move forward and see how we can import Power Pivot in our Excel and how we can attach a relationship between two tables in this Excel. Okay, so let us move forward. This is the Excel sheet which we have. Now, based on this, I will first import the Excel or the Power Pivot in this particular Excel sheet. So for that, click on Files, go to Options, then go to Add-ins, then go to Manage Add-ins, and from that, select Com Add-ins and click on Go. Over here, just search for Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Click on that and click on OK. Now here, if you can see the option of Power Pivot over here. Okay. Now this is how you can import your Power Pivot. Now after doing this, the next step which you have to do is after importing the Power Pivot, what we can do is we can go to the Pivot tab. Okay, in our Power Pivot, we can go to this Power Pivot tab and click on Manage. Okay, just click on Manage. It will take some time to load. Now, once you have click on this Manage, here what we will do, we will go to Diagram View. Okay. So before moving on to this diagram view, you need to add the data set. How can you add the data set? Over here, you are having one option that says from other sources. Click on that, okay, and then search for Excel option, okay. Once you get the Excel file, click on that, click on next, okay. Then go to browse, okay. Then select the Excel file. The Excel file name over here is Power Pivot. I'll just search for that. Power Pivot data. Click on open and then click on next. Okay, it says it is already in use. So what is the next step we have to do? We have to select the Excel file path from the PC. Okay. So I'll just click on this, I'll click on open, use the first row as column header, click on next. Okay, we need to close the file before we start. So first of all, I will minimize this and we need to close this one. Okay, and it is asking you to save. Just click on do not save. Okay, again open the Excel file. Okay, a blank Excel file. It will take some time to load. Click on the Excel file. Whatever the data is there, just close it. Okay. Then go to Power Pivot. Go to Manage again. Okay. Over here, go to your from other sources. Now from here, select the Excel file. Okay. Select the Excel file. Click on next. Then go to browse. Okay, and over here search for Power Pivot and click on open, then click on next. Just I'll go back and I will use this one, that is use first row as column header, then next. Then here I need to select employee salary transaction and I'll click on finish. It will take some time to import. Once it is done, just click on close. It will take some time to load. Okay. Now, once it is done, go to the diagram view. Now here you can connect these two data with the identical columns. Now over here, if I want, I can connect the staff ID column with staff ID. So what I will do, I will select this one with this staff ID. So it will create a relation between both of them. Now in this way, if I want, I can also select, yeah, like this way you can select the relationship between two datas. So this is how you can use Power Pivot for creating relationship, and there are many more things which you want you can do in Power Pivot. So this is how Power Pivot is useful in your Excel. That's all for today. Thank you.